So here we got a Bluebird All-American FE. I don't know exactly what year it is, but we got a little yard tour here. I'm not going to do a school bus hunter video more than likely, but I don't want to waste too much of their time. But let's see, this is a 2005 All-American FE. We have a Cat C7. If I recall correctly, it'd have the good C7 in it, the older C7. Although some people argue that there is no good C7. But anyways, looks like the mileage, or the speedometer was replaced. So I don't think that's the original miles. There's a tag. Yeah. Replaced it, 54,000 miles. So it's got just over 100,000 miles on it. It's kind of a smaller district, so I believe this one might be a spare. Yeah, we'll walk to the back. Green seats, black floor. It is cold out, so my nose is wanting to run a little bit, so if you hear me sniffling, I apologize. But yeah, here's the inside. Here's the Bluebird plate. If you want that. Let's see. There's the shifter and some of the switches. We'll go look at the other switches over here while we're at it. Alright, I'm going to get back out here. Shut this back. We'll go around the other side on the outside. So there's the front. And all incandescent warning lights. Looks like incandescent, possibly strobing stop sign. Under floor storage. It is cold. But yeah, I think that'll be it for this video, so thanks for watching.